Hello everyone, so this is Angela Ding, your student respiratory. So for today's video I will be showing you on how to properly assess posterior and anterior thorax and the lungs. So let's get started. Afternoon sir, I am your student respiratory therapy for today. So may I ask your name po?
My name is Ivan Di Barasi.
Age?
I'm 22 years old.
Birth sir?
January 15, 2002.
So, before we start the procedure, so, ano po gusto niyong salita natin today, sir?
Tagalog.
Mag-interview lang po ako sa inyo ng mga some questions. Magkakolect lang ako ng sub-data niyo po. So, may I ask the family history of illness? Meron po ba? Cancer?
Wala.
Allergies?
Wala din.
Tuberculosis?
Wala.
Okay, wala po. So, life habits such as smoking and mga occupational hazard?
Smoking.
Smoking, okay. Both family, father side?
Both.
Okay. So, ano medication being taken?
Wala.
Wala po, okay. So, current problems such as swelling, cough, squeezing, and pain, may nararamdaman po ba kayo?
Wala.
Pain, such as back, something, wala. Okay po, so, for today, I'll be assessing you, the thorax, and particularly in posterior part of your thorax. And also, lungs natin, iti-check din natin yan, sir. So, kailangan ko din inspect yung IPPA niyo po, that is inspect, palpate, percussion, and auscultation. So, magpo-proceed na po tayo. So, iano lang po kayo sa private place. So, para wala pong makakita kapag nag-start na po tayo ng ating assessment. Okay po? So, thank you. So, for today, I will be assessing or performing the posterior of thorax and inspect the shape and symmetry. First, I will inspect the shape from the posterior and lateral views. I-compare ko rin ang anterior-posterior diameter, transverse, and diameter. Tumayo. Kasi i-check po natin yung alignment ng yung spinal. So, i-check ko po yung cervical, thoracic, at saka yung lumbar. Bend for me, please. Bend po. So, i-check ko lang, sir, if meron kayong scoliosis or alignment ng inyong spinal cord. So far, so good, sir. Wala naman po. And pwede na po kayong mag-up. Sa ligid ulit. So, sir, please tell me if you feel anything or pain or discomfort. Ipapalpitate ko lang po ang thorax, inyo pulginess, tenderness, and abnormal movement niyo po. Okay, sir. Can you exhale and inhale deeply for me, sir? Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time, sir. Inhale. Exhale. Sir, can you count for me up to 1, 2, 3 when you feel my hand at your back?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Sir, can you put your hands cross over above your shoulder? Okay, sir. Okay. So, can you bend your head forward for me? Okay. inhale and hold it for me? Okay. Exhale. Sir, can you inhale again and hold it for me? Okay, sir. Inhale. Okay. Nobody's in your breath sounds. Can you inhale and exhale for me? With open mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Okay, sir. I need you to say the word okay 2 times. So
E, 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 E.
okay, sir. Thank you. I need you to repeat me to say the 99. 99.
99,
99.
99,
99.
99,
99.
99,
99.
99,
99.
99,
99.
99,
99.
99.
Okay, sir. I need you to whisper 1, 2, 3. Okay, sir. I need you to tell me if it is hurt. Okay, sir. I need you to tell me if it's hurt anywhere. Okay, sir. Can you please inhale and exhale? Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time, sir. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, sir. I need you to inhale